In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mend small holes in a running shirt that's made out of knit wool fabric. I debated about sharing these real life examples of fixes that I did because they aren't perfect. You can see some of the stitches, but they represent realistic mending that's strong, and it gives you years of use out of your gear. You're seeing them in these photos very close up in strong lighting, so you can see all of the flaws. But, and I want to emphasize this, when you're wearing the garment, they disappear into the natural folds and shadows. One of the characteristics of knit fabric is it has the potential to run. So the first step on a repair is to secure any runs that have started. Make a small knot somewhere in the middle of the hole and run the needle up inside the fabric. Try to go not on the outside of the fabric or the inside of the fabric, but right through the middle of the fabric to try to catch any of the loops that are sticking out and secure all the way to the end of that run. Don't pull this thread tight. Leave it long. Leave it the length of the run. What it's doing is it's securing it so it doesn't run any farther. Once the run's secure, work your way down the run, bringing the sides of the edges together. Be careful not to pull too tight. It's easy to raise a bump or get a pucker if it's pulled too tight. You go a little bit looser, it's less noticeable. And what I've noticed is puckers tend to be more visible on a finished garment than having a few visible stitches. On this longer and bigger hole, the steps are exactly the same. I was still able to secure it without adding any patches. You secure the run first. I did one of the runs and then I did the other one. And then you work your way down the runs, bringing the edges of the fabric together. When I got to that center hole, I attempted to pull the center together from the wrong direction. And when I did that, I got a significant pucker in the fabric. So I took out that one stitch. And unfortunately, I didn't get a photograph of how I moved the needle, but I turned it 90 degrees from where it is in this photo. And that made the flat fabric lay flatter and it wasn't as noticeable. Thank you so much for watching. Take a look at my other videos in the playlist of zippers, pockets, and holes. I've got a lot of mending videos on different patching techniques, including working on this shirt, patching holes with hearts. And please subscribe to my channel to follow along with more videos on repairs, customizations, and upcycling for your running gear.